Hi everyone, I'm Emily Thrash, a field application scientist at Lunaphore, and today I'd like to walk you through building an experiment on the COMET. So with the COMET, you can use either frozen sections or FFPE, and as long as they're on any standard histology slide. What's special about Lunaphore with doing our immunofluorescence staining is we're going to place this microfluidics chip from Lunaphore on top of your tissue. Why this is important is we can have a high tissue preservation, so you can actually do H&E staining after a COMET run. Now I'd like to walk you through building an experiment on the COMET. First, you're going to build your protocol on the COMET software. Here, we have the Spire IO core panel protocol already showing on the COMET software. All of these staining and imaging conditions have been optimized to be run on tissue. Our first is the autofluorescence cycle. This is going to get your DAPI and the autofluorescence of your tissue. Next, you're going to build the staining and imaging cycles of the markers you want to look at on the tissue. In this example, we're looking at CD3 and FOXP3 in one cycle. You can have full control of the incubation time as well as the secondary incubation time and the temperatures at these imaging and staining cycles. All right, so once you have your protocol built, you're now ready to load your reagents and samples on the COMET. So that slide is going to go right here on this carousel. There is room for you to do up to 4 slides in one automated run. Next, you're going to open this hood here. You're going to load your primary antibody mixes in the top racks of the Eppendorf, then your fluorophore conjugated secondaries and DAPI down here. In one automated run, you can have a 40-plex on anywhere between 1 and 4 slides. When the COMET run is complete, you're going to come back to one OME TIFF file for each of the slides that you loaded, where you can do image analysis in our Horizon data analysis software. Thank you for your attention as I walked you through building an experiment on the COMET. If you have further questions, please reach out.